25th important one. An aeroplane of mass 3 into 10 raised to 4 kg. Aeroplane of mass 3 into 10 raised to 4 kg has total wing area 120 meters square, is in level flight at some height. Difference in pressure between upper and lower. Difference in upper and lower wing is how many kilopascal if G is 10 meter per second. The difference in pressure is nothing but force upon area. Force is mg upon area. M is 3 into 10 raised to 4, G is 10 and area 120. 3 into 4. 0.25 into 10 raised to 4 Pascal. Or we can say 2.5 into 10 raised to 3 Pascal, which is 2.5 kilopascal, option A. So
डॉक्यूमेंटेड सीरीज में डायरेक्ट
it's completed this one. Try 26 if completed. 26. A block of wood floats in water, 4/5 of volume submerged. So volume immersed is 4/5 of total volume. If same block just flows in a liquid of density, the liquid of density is how much? If the same block just floats. So case 1, rho Vg is rho of water 4/5 of V into G, equation 1. And in case 2, same rho Vg is rho of liquid just floats, means total V into G, equation 2. So rho of water 4/5 Pg is rho of that liquid Vg. Vg cancel. So rho of liquid is 4/5 into water 1. In case they want, that is 10 raised to 3. 4 upon 5 will become 0.8. 800 equals to density of liquid, option D. completed 26.
Done, sir.
Okay. 27th. A satellite revolves around Earth. Air pressure inside the satellite is maintained at 76 centimeter of mercury. What will be the height of mercury column in barometer tube 100 centimeter long placed in the satellite? 100 centimeter long placed in the satellite. What is acceleration due to gravity in satellite? Yes. See, pressure is given by HdG due to liquid column. Due to liquid column. In satellite, G is 0. Therefore, pressure will be 0. Option A. 28. An object weighing m1 in a liquid of density d1, m1 in liquid of density d1 and m2 in liquid of density d2. An object of weighs m1 in d1 and d2, the density d of the object we have to calculate. Density of object we have to calculate. Hello? By law of flotation, if V is volume of object, then m1 into G hello?
Yes, sir.
m1 into G is nothing but V, that is volume, into density into G minus of E into T1 into G. This is weight of body is balanced by m1G. This is VDG is its weight minus VD1G is nothing but upthrust. So weight in liquid is nothing but apparent weight, which is actual weight minus upthrust, that is m1G into this average. So m2G will be V into dg minus V into d2G. Therefore, dividing 1 by 2, we get 1 equals to V G d minus T1 Vg d minus T2 M1 upon M2 equals to this Vg cancel. So M1d minus M1d2 is M2d minus M2d1. Therefore, M1d minus M2d is M1d2 minus M2d1. Therefore, d into M1 minus M2 equals to M1 d2 minus M2 d1. So d equals to M1 d2 minus M2 d1 upon M1 minus M2. That is nothing but option M1 d2, option D. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sum number 29. A stone of relative density K. So density of stone upon density of water is K, relative density. Is released from rest on the surface of lake. Is released from rest on the surface of lake. If viscous effects are ignored, the stone sinks in water with an acceleration of what? So it sinks in water with what? Acceleration. If I find net weight, then mass into g will be net acceleration. Let V be the volume of stone. So weight of stone W equals to volume of stone into density of stone into G, and upthrust it is called buoyancy force, will be volume of body, density of water into G. So net downward force will be equals to weight minus upthrust. Weight is volume into density into G. Upthrust is weight into density of water into G. This is V. G if you take common. Inside you will get density of solid minus density of water. It is Vg. Density of water take common. Density of solid upon water minus 1. Density of solid I am taking common so that we get weight. So it is 1 minus density of water upon density of solid. This is nothing but weight of the body into 1 minus 1 upon K. So this will be mg into 1 minus 1 upon K. That is mass into net acceleration is mg into 1 minus 1 upon K. So acceleration A is g into 1 minus 1 upon K. G into 1 minus 1 upon K is option C. So, is completed for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 38. If a wooden piece can float both in mercury and in water, then ratio of mass of mercury displaced to the mass of water displaced. It is floating in both. Ratio of mass of liquid and mass of water displaced. Since it is floating in both, so weight of volume of liquid displaced in both must be same. weight is same. So we can say M mass of mercury displaced upon mass of water displaced, I directly took ratio, will be equal to mass of block in mercury upon mass of block in water. See, they don't want weight, they are telling mass of mercury displaced. So mass of the block upon in water both is same. That means this ratio will come 1. Option A. Because density of body, volume of body into G is mass of liquid displaced into G. This two is same. When you take the ratio, this will be mass of liquid in water. Both will come equal to 1. Since weight is same, therefore M has to be same. Volume may be different, but mass is same because weight of liquid displaced is same. 31. If atmospheric pressure is PA, then the pressure P at depth H of the liquid of mercury rho open to the atmosphere will be how much? Net pressure will be equals to atmospheric pressure plus pressure due to liquid column, which is H rho G. So PA plus H rho G, that is option E here. 32. Three liquids of equal masses are taken in three identical cubical vessels A, B, C. Three liquid of equal masses are taken into cubical vessel A, B, C. Densities are rho A, rho B, rho C. But rho A is given less than rho B, less than rho C. Mass is same that way. The force exerted by the liquid on the base of cubical vessel is maximum at C, minimum at C, same at all, maximum in vessel A. Pressure exerted B1. Densities are different and mass they are telling same. So height of liquid column, let us check what it will be. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
What is pressure due to liquid column? H, D, G, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Or pressure due to liquid is nothing but force acting per unit area. All cubes are identical. No? Hello?
Yes.
If all cubes are identical, that means area is same. Also, masses of all liquid is same. Therefore, mg is same. So this means pressure of A is same as P is same as C. So force exerted at A is same as P is same as C. All the force exerted will be same to same. That is option C. Since mass is same, so mg is same, therefore it will be same to same. Next, 33. A block of aluminium has mass 1 kg and volume mass 1 kg and volume is 3.6 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter cube. Is suspended from a string and then completely immersed in container. Decrease in tension of the string. Decrease in tension of the string after immersion will be how much? See, from mass and volume we can get density of the aluminum. Rho of aluminium is 1 upon 3.6 into 10 raised to 4. That will be 10 upon 36 into 10 raised to plus 4. So we can write 100 upon 36 into 10 raised to 3. 4 into 9, 4 into 25. 25 upon 9 into 10 raised to 3. Decrease in tension is nothing but loss of weight, which is density of liquid, volume of solid into G. Density of liquid is 10 raised to 3 because it is water. Volume of solid 3.6 into 10 raised to 4. G is 10. 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to minus 4 cancel. 3.6 Newton. Actually, no use of this. Yes, done. Shall I clear it off?
Yes.
34. A body floats in water. I want this you should do. 40% of the volume outside That means 60% is immersed, 40% outside. So volume immersed will be 60% of original volume. That is 60 upon 100 of V. While same body floats in oil, then 60% remains outside. This is in water. In oil, volume immersed is 40% because 60 is outside. Relative density of oil you have to find. Density of body into volume into G is nothing but density of water, 60% of volume immersed into G, equation 1. Same weight is balanced by density of liquid, 40% of volume into G is, so density of liquid into 40% into volume of solid is water into 60% into volume into G. This gets cancelled, 100 cancelled. So density of liquid with respect to water will be 60 upon 40, which is 3 upon 2, 1.5. 1.5 is option. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
35. A uniform long tube is bent into the form of circle of radius r and lies in vertical plane. Two liquid of same volume but density rho and delta fill half the tube. The angle theta will be how much? This sum now, when it is given half the tube, directly you write because slightly lengthy it is in calculation. So just remember, angle delta is density rho minus delta upon rho plus delta. Remember this so that directly you can write. Otherwise, we have to think of height of liquid column. That means if this is tube, it is filled partially. ये एक हाइट ये कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा, फिर ये, देन प्रेशर. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट डायरेक्टली यू रिमेंबर tan of theta is rho minus delta upon rho plus delta. Just this sum, remember it's directly answer, rho minus delta, rho plus delta. If we want, we will discuss it next class because it will take at least 15 minutes to understand. 36. You have to tell the answer. Piece of ice with a stone embedded inside it is floating in a water contained in vessel. When the ice melts, then level of water in the vessel will. What will happen to the level of water when the ice melts? It will fall because water ka volume will be less than that of ice. It will fall. 37. Two solid pieces, one is made up of steel, other is aluminium. When completely immersed in water has equal weight. When the solid pieces are weighed in air, two pieces, aluminium and water, they are having equal weight, that is apparent weight is equal. When the solid pieces are weighed in air, then weight of aluminium is half that of steel. Steel piece will weigh more, same weight, aluminium will weigh more. One whose density is more will show more apparent loss. So density of steel is more. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Density of aluminium is lighter, so it will sink more. Therefore, when it comes in air, aluminium piece will weigh more because its loss is more. Loss more, that means when you reduce that maximum part, its weight will become more. So inside they have equal loss, but to have equal loss, density of aluminium is more. Therefore, inside it displaced more volume. So because its volume is more as compared to that of steel, when in air it is going to weigh more as compared to that of steel. So one which is lighter in air, it is weighing more. Right somewhere, lighter will weigh more. If in liquid, it is weighing same. 38, you all try. Yes, got the answer of 38.
Sir, A.
Yes, A is correct. Volume of ball is 18 and relative density is 0.9, mass of iron trapped in the ball. And they're telling some iron beads are embedded in a wax ball which is just floating. A is correct. Here see, you have to ignore the volume of iron beads. So by law of flotation, mass of wax plus mass of iron bead into G equals to 18 into upthrust density of water into G. So G we can cancel both sides. So mass of iron we want. Mass of wax is volume of wax into density 0.9 equals to 18. Therefore, this will become 18 into 0.9. 18 minus 18 into 0.9, which is 18 into 1 minus 0.9. 18 into 0.1 equals to 1.8. Therefore, option. Thirty-ninth also you can manage. Just try it out. 39. Okay. 3815 का मैं स्टॉप कर सकता हूँ. हाँ. कितना? अच्छा वैसा रेंज डालना पड़ता है. ठीक है चले चलेगा चलेगा 8 आने का डालो ना. तो 3825 का डालो. अच्छा तो क्या डाले थोड़ा नीचे रहता है. हाँ ये डाले. हाँ ठीक है चलो ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम. नहीं वो तो डाउन है ना पूरा. नहीं अपन हाँ चलेगा चलेगा ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम. Yes, what is 39 answer? 39 का आंसर what you got?
4/3.
Option B.
Option B 4/3.
Yes,
sir.
4/3 is correct. Try 40. That is also easy. I think you can get. एक डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला आपको बता देता हूँ स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी का क्या है अगर एयर और लिक्विड होगा तो. स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी is weight in air minus weight in liquid upon weight in air minus weight in water. Directly you can put.
then is it 35?
35. That is option D. Correct. 41. A piece of wood is floating in water when temperature of water rises. मतलब उसका density कम होएगा. Density कम मतलब apparent weight will वो ज्यादा सिंक हो जाएगा but apparent weight will remain same. That is option D. खाली क्या होएगा सिंक ज्यादा होएगा ना डेंसिटी कम तो थोड़ा ज्यादा सिंक होएगा till it gets balanced by upthrust. So weight minus upthrust will be apparent weight that will be same to same. Try 42. हाँ बेटा गया क्या? ओके ठीक है चलेगा ठीक है। नहीं ओ अच्छा हो गया ना फिर। तो इसको 3725 में रखते हैं। हाँ अच्छा ठीक है रखिए। समझ गया हूँ हाँ उसका एम रहेगा। फोर्टी टू is it coming 2 by 11? 42 just check. Is it coming 2 by 11? First you will get below the water, then you will subtract with 1. Yes, is it coming 2 by 11?
Yes, sir.
So 42 answer B. Your coming Monday's test is modern physics. So only revise for this chapter whatever we are doing and whichever you are not able to understand. And then keep on practicing modern physics. So that's all for today. Tomorrow as usual, 12:30. Okay. Take care. Bye.